Hello our beautiful viewers. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to put words or text behind a video in CapCut. So select CapCut, open it. So when you open CapCut, okay, this is how it looks like. So select the video that you're going to be editing. Alright, for this case I'll edit this. Okay, so after tapping on it, select add. Okay, so after selecting add, what you want to do is quite simple. Tap on this plus icon here, or before that come and tap on the text icon, then say add text. Alright, so you add a text. So let me put here text. Okay, so I'll put the effect for the text, give it yellow, then I'll adjust it like that. Okay, so let me adjust it just right there on his head. Okay, so I'll also pull the text to fit the video, then also this side to fit the video once again. Okay, so when that is done, all you need to do is to first save this video now. Alright, so we are saving this first video and we are exporting it to our gallery. Alright, so it's done being saved, so you tap on done. So after that one, now come on your project. Now import the one you've just saved, which is that one, then say add. Okay, so this is one you've just saved with the text. Okay, so come to the plus icon. Now import the original version, which is this one. Okay, so after importing it, tap on it. So you're tapping on the original version. So after tapping on it, what you're going to do is quite simple. Tap on it, then scroll this side till you see overlay. Okay, so when you tap on overlay, it will be made to fit within the original version. Okay, alright, so as you can see, it's now fitting the original version. So what you can to do right now is to come this side, then look for cutout, then tap on remove background. So as you can see, removing background takes a bit sometime, but sometimes it's quick. So when you're done removing background, tick it from here and you can try playing your video. So as you can see, when you play a video, it will be reflecting this guy being in front of the text and the text will be behind him, which means this guy in the video is basically in front. And that's how to send text behind someone or text behind a video. Okay, so thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.